Hey, hello guys, this is Moto Transpiker. So, how are you all doing? Well, this vlog is all about my first track day. So, right now I'm on the way to check-in circuit to participate. So, the time right now is like approx 4:30 a.m. I should actually reach there by 5:30 a.m. So, let's check the time. By the time we reach there, apart from that, I just fueled up fuel tank, and let's check how much the fuel burns after the track day. So next thing is I gave this bike to washing as there could be videos and photos. So currently it's too dark in this route, and the street lights are too less, and even these roads having damn potholes. And at the same time, this bike headlights weren't flashing too far ahead, as you can see. So, let's meet at the check-in circuit. Hey, hello guys, it's Motor Transpiker here. So, how are you all doing? So, right now I'm in I'm in check-in circuit. So, I'm gonna ride for first time today. So exciting, guys. So here, no one came here yet. So I'm the first person to come here. So let's see what happens today. And I'm gonna ride this RS200 today, which is my friend's bike. You can see the bike. It's so exciting, guys. Today is first time. So let's see. So he's the coach. He's explaining for the first timers and also for experienced persons. And so you can check the track. So I'm riding this on this track for the first time. It's so exciting, guys. Check the track. So warm up. Warm up round. This is called like why we are walking is this is track walking. This for the warm up, and he's explaining the track conditions and where not to and where to. So surely well enjoy this track. Hey guys, so this was the first drag day to me. It was phenomenal. So before that, there were plans of drag day which are failed to participate, and after many days, and at the time I participated successfully. So I had a body pains like hands and legs since next day, as it was first time. So I should get used to it.
Your kingdom, yeah, take me to the, yeah, take me to the, take me to your jungle, where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom, yeah, take me to the jungle.
So that's it for today, guys. It's time to end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this vlog, please hit the like button below. Please comment down about this vlog below. You can share this vlog with anyone. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs. And please use helmet for your safety always. Spread love and peace.